Types of records. There are many different types of records required in an API manufacturing facility. These include records of raw materials and intermediates used, records of API product labels and packaging, equipment cleaning and maintenance records, master production records, production records, laboratory records, and distribution records. Records can be either paper-based or electronic. Records are normally completed at the end of a task and signed and dated by the person who performed the task. Usually, a second person who witnesses the task or checks that it has been properly completed also signs and dates the form. These forms can be either completed by hand on paper or inputted and saved on a computer. Records can also be events recorded in logs, such as equipment maintenance records. Laboratory. Information about all samples brought to the laboratory for analysis must be recorded. Information recorded can include material or product name, batch, lot, or part number, date and location of sampling, name of the employee who took the sample, date the sample was received for testing, quantity of sample received for testing. Additional information recorded in the laboratory records for each sample tested can include the method used to test the sample, all raw data generated in the course of each test, for example, graphs and chromatograms, all calculations performed in connection with the test, the date of testing, and the signature of the person who performs the test, the signature of the person who checks and verifies that the record is completed correctly.